Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. She wanna feel me up. Feel like I'm fiending for your touch. Yeah, yeah. She telling me to take my clothes off.
What's good, you guys? Your boy Chris, and today we're going to the beach, and it's gonna be fun, I guess. We're going to pick up MJ. I'm just changing right now, and there's a lot happening, but catch you guys at MJ's house, I think. So I'll let you guys know what's gonna be happening throughout this whole vlog.
Let's check out the goose.
What's this?
Okay, but we left it by mistake.
So it's going inside here.
It's gonna sit here.
Tata wants to make my tomb what?
Yeah.
Thing is, I looked back and I was like, why are the clouds so
Majestic looking.
so bad like that? So guys, it's burning at somebody's house right now.
Maybe a block.
Maybe a full block.
Yeah.
But now I just need to get my quick equipment, my towel, shorts. The reason why I'm also doing this is because I need to like give it the snow.
Yeah. But firstly, I'm going to Warzone 36 here to buy his house. So wish me
Wait,
luck.
I told Mama, where am I going? I also told Mama I'm going somewhere. Yeah. Whatever. We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah,
We're gonna figure it
we'll
out.
see it. But me, I'm saying we go to for a guy like him to get multiple.
But guys, do you see that? Like, for what?
For a guy like him to get multiple girlfriends.
Are you enjoying, bro? I feel you got a whole box on you right now. But this traffic is getting on my nerves right now. But we're gonna make it through though. Can I wipe myself on you? Huh? Oh, but the video is looking tough here, bro.
You're forgetting I used to do taekwondo.
You used to do what?
Taekwondo.
What's
In
that?
my dreams. Kung Fu, but for legs.
Isn't that for like, what do you call that guy's name?
Korean.
No.
Bruce Lee.
Something like that.
No, he knows Jeet Kune Do. Don't ask me how I know the differences.
I was about to say that.
Like,
your book. The fact that you know that, insane.
I know, have you noticed, people who know shit about something don't know how to do it. A person who knows a lot about cars doesn't know how to drive.
Okay. It was a lot about engines.
You see?
We were talking about MH engines, it's a Porsche thing. I'm just there, I'm like,
Do you know how to drive for you to be asking for engines? He doesn't even know what that
It's
the one at home.
the day I was sitting there.
Doesn't know the one in that mama has.
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, you sure it's not capping?
Nah, it actually does. Because I remember the day thinking those niggas came to take their car.
I don't even know who you're talking about.
Sit down.
Oh, I see who you're talking about.
No, I sit down. I don't know why you.
See, when it's bigger, when I'm a child, and then when I'm left over.
By the way, it's
Going on.
by the way, it's good. This nigga, bro.
I took take your advice. Alright, that's Chris.
You hold it like a professional now. You don't hold it like you're doing up on live. It's not the end of the world. What do I want to say? What do I want to say?
Nothing.
I'm here. So I'm hearing a different accent there, bro.
How the heck do you turn it around?
John?
Like infinite chongin. So we're at the beach. Chris dared me to go talk to a girl. I kind of flopped.
So you knew you flopped?
Yeah, I kind of flopped. In his terms, I actually spoke to her, but he says I just told her the beach looks nice. The beach is nice. Chris talked to a woman. Chris talked to a woman, and then he told her, "You look beautiful," and let her walk away. This is a compliment, though. Better than the beach looks nice. But yeah, man, we ball.
The sun is that side 10.
Wind comes Bay. There's skirts now. There's walking past us.
I'm hearing a speaker, bro. That's about to die, bro. It's about to die. No.
Your Bluetooth device is low.
It's low, something like that. It's about to say that, bro.
So yeah.
That nigga's ghetto as fuck. Look how he's walking, bro, with the cab.
What is kage? Bro, don't try to act ghetto in nice places, bro, because that's what gets you looked at weirdly. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day?
I remember saying to that guy, I need a house.
But it just goes to show how hungry you are for power.
Dude.
Look at that house.
I don't like a kingdom.
Yeah.
Bro. What this motherfucking foreigners live here, bro?
Shawty a blue. He didn't say motherfucking. He said like dope ass foreigners. But I don't want to finish his battery. My lips
relax. This is my phone. Don't pick my camera right now.
No, that girl is gonna make me listen to J. Cole, the girl of my dreams. You know, he really got rejected in that song.
I'm looking for just one girl who's gonna just make me wanna go home.
Aye, Chris, you keep doing this, bro. And then you become rude to me in the taxi, bro. MJ, don't talk to. Yes, we use taxi, guys. We're not up there yet.
Is it still recording? Yeah, but I told you come. Yo, guys, we have a little bit of technical difficulties. My boy right here, his breath is ending, but I'm gonna vlog this for you guys because like I hope you guys can hear me though. Let me see from this side. Woo! This is clean though. So clean. His throat genuinely looks high. Don't worry, I'm gonna get you a Pepsi. And your throat is gonna be clean. Yeah, this is gonna be my thumbnail. Let me walk in the street a little bit. They're gonna think I'm not from here. Let me not do that. Guys, this is a sunset view. MJ is here. I know why he's stressed. MJ, my boy, talk to me. Oh, look at that. All I'm doing is cash parring. Nice cars, nice views. Talk to the camera. No, say your bullshit. Say your bullshit.
Yeah, she wanna feel me up. Feel like I'm fiending for your touch. Yeah,